Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2023 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 20. Consider an isotopic flow of air. Ratio of specific heat is equal to 1.4 through a duct as shown in the figure. The variation in the flow across cross section are negligible. The flow conditions at location 1 are given as follows. P1 is equal to 100 kPa, rho 1 is equal to 1.2 kilogram per meter cube, U1 is equal to 400 meter per second. The duct cross sectional area at location 2 is given by A2 is equal to 2A1, where A1 denotes the duct cross sectional area at location 1, which one of the given statement about velocity u2 and pressure p2 at location 2 is true. So this is location 1. Here the density is ρ1, pressure is p1, velocity is u1, area is a1, and at location 2 density is ρ2, pressure is p2, velocity is u2, and area is a2. So we have to find out the correct statement about velocity u2 and p2. So option A, u2 less than u1, p2 less than p1. Option B, u2 less than u1, p2 greater than p1. Option C, u2 greater than u1, p2 less than p1. Option D, u2 greater than u1, p2 greater than p1. So so at the inlet of the duct, so this is the inlet of the duct. Okay. These conditions are given. P1, ρ1 and u1 are given. Okay. So using ideal gas equation, we can find out temperature. From the ideal gas equation, P is equal to mRT, or we can say P is equal to rho RT, or P1 at inlet it is 1. P1 is equal to ρ1 RT1. P1 is 100 kPa, 100 and 1000, and ρ1 is 1.2, R is 287, and T1 is 290. So T1 comes out as 290.36 Kelvin. Okay, and Mach number is U1 by root gamma RT, or we can say actual velocity by sonic velocity. So U1 is 400, gamma is 1.4, R is 287, T1 is 290.36. So Mach number at 1 comes out as 1.171. Okay, so which is more than 1? It means the flow is supersonic. Okay, a flow is supersonic. Supersonic flow means and supersonic flow means if the flow at the inlet of the divergent duct is supersonic, then it will behave like a nozzle. Okay, here the flow is supersonic, and if you have divergent duct, so divergent duct for a supersonic flow will behave as nozzle. So when it will behave as nozzle, then velocity will increase, so u2 will be more than u1, and pressure will decrease, p2 will be less than p1. So answer is option C.